I just want to start by thanking you all for subscribing to this channel, and because I've reached a magic number of subscribers, I'm able to offer you channel memberships. And channel memberships are just another way for you to get content out of me. So if you click the join button, you will see that there is one tier level of membership at this time, and that one tier includes 3 incredible gifts for you. First one is a thank you card that will appear at the end of each recipe video, thanking you for your support and contribution to this channel. Second one is access to the Monson Ate This videos that are my little after show, casual, chatty videos where I eat the food that I just made and talk a little bit about what went behind the recipe, what went into it, and just kind of what's on my mind that day. Previously, those videos were only available on Patreon, but now I'm offering them here as part of YouTube channel memberships. The third, final, probably the thing you're most excited about is I will be posting printer/phone friendly PDFs of the recipes after the videos come out so that you can easily just access those recipes on your phone and cook the thing that I just cooked. So thank you all in advance for supporting my channel even further and joining my channel memberships. Thanks to those of you that have been supporting me on Patreon. I'll still be posting videos over there for you as well. And I look forward to expanding this channel membership and maybe offering you some more things in the future. Let me know if there's anything else that you would like to be offered as part of channel memberships. So thank you again, and I will see you in the next recipe video.